Cook like a god with THOR Kitchen. Perfect meals call for perfect ingredients, cool, crisp, and fresh. THOR Kitchen's 36-inch professional French door refrigerator with ice and water dispenser is at your service. Inside is where the magic happens. Size matters, and 22 cubic feet of flexible storage space gives you plenty of room to store those tasty leftovers. Cook once, impress twice. The Flex Drawer provides a separate compartment with precise temperatures for meats, cheeses, and other goodies, or works great as the perfect beverage chiller. 2 humidity-controlled crisper drawers keep produce fresh longer. THOR Kitchen's Triple Tech cooling system controls the temperature of each compartment with a separate airflow. Increased humidity levels means less frost buildup. Keep milk and juice cold thanks to gallon door storage. Cool off with the perfect glass of ice water. The automatic ice maker can churn out 4.4 pounds a day. Party on! A replaceable water filtration system removes anything that doesn't taste like water. Adjustable racks and retractable shelves allow you to fit wide and tall items with ease. 2 separate freezer drawers provide easy and organized access to whatever you need. Chill your freshly stocked refrigerator fast. THOR Kitchen's super freezing and cooling function speeds up the process by dropping temperatures to the coldest settings within 24 hours. Easy to clean stainless steel finishes resist fingerprints and smudges, so you never have to explain yourself. The counter depth design takes up less room than a standard depth refrigerator. How can something designed to keep food cold look so hot? As an ENERGY STAR certified appliance, you'll be maximizing your energy and dollar savings. THOR Kitchen's 36-inch professional French door refrigerator with ice and water dispenser. Feel the power.